Hi beautifuls, it's Tiffany here. Welcome back to my channel Living Beautifully. Thank you for watching, and please know that your support is greatly appreciated. So a little while ago I mentioned that I woke up one morning and my sleep number bed was totally flat. Yeah, it had totally deflated. But luckily I had a dual chamber spare sleep number bed around the house, so I used that to sleep on. But the only thing was, as you can see, it did not fill my entire space. And when I was sleeping, if I happened to roll over, I would fall into a hole. No worries, I was okay, but totally uncomfortable. So I had to do my research. I went to the Sleep Number site and I saw that we had to run a test to find out why it was losing air. So I checked the holes, I checked the air chamber. I didn't notice anything. So I went ahead and contacted them to see what was wrong. I thought I was going to have to buy a new bed, but as you can see, a new bed is $799. Okay, Sleep Number, I like y'all, but I don't like y'all that much to buy a whole new one right now. But what I did find out was that you can get a replacement air chamber. And that's exactly what I did. And guess what, y'all? A replacement air chamber is only $100. Which is a big difference to me from $799. So I was appreciative of that. So when my replacement air chamber finally arrived, I think it came about 2 days later. Yeah, I had to sleep on that for 2 nights. So when it finally came, I had to unzip the cover from the air chamber, the air mattress, and I proceeded to set up the new bed, which meant I had to remove my flat air chamber that for some reason decided not to inflate anymore, and I proceeded to go ahead and set up my new bed. Well, not the new bed, but the replacement chamber. So that's it right there. It comes in that bag in the box, and it's very heavy. It's surprising how heavy those air chambers can be. So I went ahead to set it up. You have to make sure that that piece right there connects to the holes at the top. So make sure if you're ever replacing your bed, you put that part at the top so you can connect it to the air holes. So I lay this completely out in the space. And one thing that you have to make sure, again, you have to make sure that piece can connect to the holes, and you also have to make sure that that side is down, which I had not done. So I had to turn the chamber completely over to the other side, and then I could connect the hose. And once that was done, I could go ahead and zip the mattress back up. And now for the fun part, which is where you can fill up the bed with air. My sleep number is between 95 and 100. So I decided to have a little fun and just go all the way to 100. And one thing that they tell you is that you should lie on the bed while it's filling up so that your weight can match with the air, the amount of air that's being put into the mattress. So I think it took a total of about 10 minutes or so for the entire bed to fill up to 100. So I just lied there, listened to some TV, chill, all that good stuff. Dreamed of having a wonderful night's rest because the past 2 nights I had not. So I was looking forward to that. So we were almost at 100. Bed's almost filled with air. And then finally it was done. And I made up the bed. It was so comfortable. I was so ready for a good night's sleep. So I got my pillow ready and turned out the lights. So excited for a good night's sleep. So that's it. I hope this was helpful, you guys. If you ever have any problems with your sleep number bed, know you can get a replacement. So thank you for watching and continue to live beautifully. Have a good night, y'all.